In this video, we're going to talk about how to develop an audience persona. Audience personas can help you gain insight from your audience on matters of segmentations, such as where to focus your time, which products to develop, how to write your copy, marketing messages, and more. It's probably one of the more important marketing tactics that you can do if you really want to be successful with your audience. To develop an audience persona, follow these steps. Know your competition. There is someone who sells something like you do to the same audience, who is also successful. Get to know all you can about them and their audience, because it'll help you understand your audience even better. Sign up for your competitors' newsletters, go to their groups and interact with their customers. But all the while, you want to look at your own business also, and a good way to go about that is to conduct a SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Threats don't just exist within you, they also exist outside of you and aren't always under your control. If you can analyze these characteristics within your business, you could very easily strengthen your position within your niche on several fronts. It could be a very good idea to interview your current customers. If you already have customers, it's a good idea to get to know them, because if a person made a purchase from you, these interviews can end up making you a boatload of money in the end. You can interview customers via email or invite them to call and leave a message. Let's not forget the technical side of things, or at least a small part of it. Try taking a look at user data on Google Analytics. It's an excellent idea to install Google Analytics on your website. If you're not sure how to do it, check on the various social media platforms where there is a ton of free help. You'll learn a heck of a lot more about your audience, and especially those who are clicking, reading, and interacting. This information can be used to improve your customer relations as well as your overall marketing practices. You could even initiate a poll. Use Facebook to instigate a poll from your page. Basically, you choose an option and type an answer to the polling question, and you continue to do so until you're satisfied with your poll. Once satisfied, you opt to both promote the poll and post your question. There are various software tools that also allow you to carry out polls outside of Facebook. Based on answers received and the questions you asked, you will be able to get a picture of what your potential customers would be interested in and what you could potentially market to them.